Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. A lot of people ask me about why I am not posting videos as I used to post, because for 2-3 reasons. First thing is, see, I'm not traveling, so I usually post videos related to travel. So these days I'm not traveling for a simple reason: it's not the right time to travel. Things are not good. Things are really bad. The worst situation for India, I think. So we all have to work towards coming out of this problem, and this is not time for enjoyment. This is like a lot of people are going through really tough situation. It's been like more than a week that it was raining continuously. Uh, now we could see some blue skies after a long time, and the rain in between is really good. A lot of greeneries, and we don't have the problem of watering the plants now for next at least 10 days. And I'm sure that in between there would be some more rains coming up. So it's lockdown, it's completely locked. I do come here from Mysore. I drive from Mysore every day and come here, and some days I stay here. It's better to stay here rather than going back every day, because again, the situation is not really good. We have to be very careful. Here we don't interact with people. We have only very few people who are living here. They don't go out, so the chances of infection is very less. But still we have to be very careful. Usually nobody comes from outside, so we have our cows here. We got really good rains. Got some water collected here. Now today it's sunny but cloudy. Maybe it will rain in the evening. Just going around the farm, a lot of changes. When it starts raining, a lot of things change much faster than what we see when we are watering the plants. Now this is the cow shed, and here there would be a bathroom, toilet, 3 toilets actually, for the workers here and even the guests coming here. So this is a cow shed where we can accommodate more than 10 cows and few goats also. My plan is initially to have around 6 to 7 cows and then few goats, and once we learn things, once we find things going good, we'll be adding more of cows and goats, maybe adding more of cow sheds or some things like that. Things are going slow because of the lockdown. The workers are coming from a different village, so it's not safe for them to come from that village and work here. Basically, I would say it's much safer here because very few people here. We are working in open place, and so things are much safer here. That's what I feel. It would be like this for coming few months. It's going to be really tough for people to go to work here. I find People need to go to work, but they are unable to go to work because of the current situation, lockdowns, and even the safety part. The villages are getting affected. I heard that one villager was sick and he passed away because of COVID. It's a very small village. This has a population of less than 850 people. What to do, yeah? So we all have to be very careful and work towards coming out of the problem.